How to delete ChatGPT photos. So if you've uploaded photos to ChatGPT or ChatGPT generated images for you, you can access that by opening ChatGPT on your browser and make sure to sign into your account. Now from the left panel, you want to click on the library, and in here you can click on the images to sort out all the images. And in here, you should find all the images generated by ChatGPT or uploaded by you to use on certain conversations. And to delete them, you can click on the checkbox next to the top here where it says name. And this will select all the images in your library. Now, all you need to do is click on the delete button and then confirm. And this should permanently delete all the images from your library, including the photos you've uploaded and the photos generated by ChatGPT. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.